Hello students, two rods of equal length, each of 60 centimeter. So first one rod, its length is 60 centimeter, and another rod, same length, 60 centimeter. So are joined together end to end. Okay, they are joined at this point. And the coefficient of linear expansions are given alpha 1 and next one is the alpha 2. So you can choose about this is 10 power minus 6, this is 10 power minus 5 is there. But here 24, here 1.2. We can convert. It's a 2.4 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. And temperatures are the same and equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Each one temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Next one also 30 degrees Celsius, which is increased to if the temperature is increased. So from 30 to so means 30 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius increased. Okay, then what happens? What things will be changed from this? So first one, this is the first rod. Okay, let it be the first one, and next one is the second rod. Okay, first and second two rods. First one length is this is the first one length. Okay, I'm taking about it's a L naught. So second one also it's a L naught. Same L naught and L naught. Whenever temperature increases, L2 is equals to L2, which means what? Final length. It's a final length. So final length means on increase in temperature. When temperature increases, so increasing temperature, then the final length. Final length is equals to L2 is equals to L1 times of 1 plus alpha delta T. Okay. So now I'm finding about the total length. So total length is equals to total increased length. Total increased length. So that's what L effective. I'm saying this. It's a L effective. L effective is equals to, we can write, first one is L1 dash plus L2 dash. L1 is what? L naught times of 1 plus alpha 1 delta T plus L naught times of 1 plus alpha 2 delta T. Okay. So this is the case. Now I'm taking this is what is equals to L naught is common 1 plus alpha 1 delta T plus 1 plus alpha 2 delta T. So this is equals to L naught times of 2 plus alpha 1 plus alpha 2 times of delta T. Okay. So this is L naught is given. It's a 60 centimeter plus 2 plus alpha 1 plus alpha 2. Okay. So first one alpha 1 and alpha 2. Alpha 1 is this. Okay. 24 means 2.4. And this one is the 1.2. 2.4 plus 1.2 is what? 3.6. 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into delta T. What is the rise in temperature from this? 70 degrees Celsius. It's a 70. Okay. This is equals to 60 plus times of 2 plus. Okay. So it's a 36 into 7 into 10 power minus 5. So is equals to, so 60 times of, so this if you do the final calculation, so it's a 120.15 centimeter. Okay, it is in centimeter. This is L effective. Okay, so 120.15. Carefully we can choose this one. It's a 120.15. So option 3 is correct.